will begin adding in around a teaspoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salted butter, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, we'll add some pepper, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, artichokes, some leeks, 1 stick of leeks, 1 stick of celery, fresh rosemary, fresh basil, fresh thyme, stir this. We'll add salt as per taste. I'm adding around half a teaspoon. To this we are adding around 3.5 cups of water. So now we'll close the lid and cook this for about 10 minutes until the artichokes are cooked and they are tendered. Okay, now until the veggies are getting cooked, we will prepare the vegetable stock. There are two options for you. One is preparing the stock by yourself by boiling a few vegetables of your choice and getting the stock out of those vegetables. But the other option, which is quite easier also, is that you get these small cubes like stalks which is available in Lulu. So you can just take those stalks and all we have to do is we will just remove these stalks. Here to this I'm going to add around 2 cups of water, and I'm just going to let this melt in the water all by itself completely. So it's been melted down and my veg stock is ready to use in my soup. 10 minutes now. Let's have a look at the artichokes. If they are cooked well, we will then just leave it in there for another 10 minutes for it to warm itself and get it well tendered with all the rest of the ingredients, and then we need to blend it. So let's check on the artichoke first. See, they are very soft now, and leave it to warm itself for at least 10-15 minutes it will take to warm down, and then we will blend these ingredients together. Liquid, and I'm going to let just the artichoke and the rest of the vegetables separate from the liquid, and so that it gets cooled down quickly and then we can blend it. So chef, you please help me. Okay, now that all my ingredients are cooled down, I have added everything to the blender and I'm going to blend this into a thin paste. Just a little bit of broth for it to blend. Okay, so my cream is ready. It's nice, thick and creamy, and it's ready now. So now we will place back our soup pot, adding the broth, and the vegetable stock, along with the thick and the creamy paste. This will take at least 10 minutes for a boil, and after 10 minutes our soup will be ready. So let this boil for 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes now almost, so, and I can see my soup has been quite boiling, very hot. So let's check on it. Wow, it's boiling very well, and I'm sure it's almost done. So few dry leaves of basil, just 2 or 3 pinches will be fine, not much, because we already added fresh basil to it. Then we'll add few dry rosemary and freshly chopped spring onions. And we'll give it a nice stir. Okay, now let's just check on the salt and other stuffs. Just perfect. Just perfect. The salt is proper, the spices are proper, the flavor is just yummy. So guys, do not forget to buy artichokes, only available at Lulu in the prime and exotic fruit section. And I have already shown you how you can properly cut these artichokes and make a delicious soup out of it. So let's start with plating now.